Hey classers, are you stuck grinding in Clash of Clan and wondering how to level up faster? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will share pro tips and strategy to level up quickly, grow your base and dominate the game. Let's dive right in. First, open your Clash of Clan application. Prioritize upgrading your town hall. Can Castle and Laboratory. This building unlock new troops, spells and extra benefits for your base. And secondly, resources are the backbone of leveling up fast. Keep your gold mines and elixir collector upgraded. Always collect your resources on time and protect them with upgraded storage building. Joining an active clan is a game changer. Participate in clan war and clan games for extra loot and magic items. Request high level troops from your clanmates to help in battle. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Don't overlook the seasonal challenge and achievement. They are a gold mine for XP resources and magic items. Purchase one gold pass if you can. Be strategic in your attack. Target bases with high loot and weak defenses. Use a balanced army composition to maximize your chance of victory. Never let your builder rest. Always have a plan for next upgrade, even if it's a wall. And there you have it. Following these tips and you will be leveling up faster than ever.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.